folks, welcome to another technical video from AA Silencers. The vehicle just over my shoulder there is an Audi A6. This is quite a late model A6 with a 2-litre common rail diesel in, and it's a Euro 6 vehicle which features the SCR AdBlue system. Vehicle's presented to us with diesel particulate filter system efficiency codes. This came in a couple of weeks ago. We're only just obviously having time to actually get involved. Now, these are subject to a technical bulletin from Audi related to blockage of the low pressure EGR cooler. So we're going to take this apart now and we're going to find out if that is the case, and if so, we're going to replace it and get it all sorted. So, with just the top cover removed, this is the engine in question. The piece that we need to get at, you won't see. It's about, I don't know, 30 to 40 centimetres that way, and very difficult to get at. So, several hours later, here we are now. As you can see, the DPF has been removed. The unit's gone. It actually fits underneath there, and it's over on the bench. You can see what's going on. So as you can see, the one on the left is the new unit, the one on the right is the original unit. What you can't really make out on the video is that in there is all blocked up solid. So also it fits into the DPF unit, and you can see all the residue there that we've got to clean out as well to make sure we have no further issues. And now with it all back together, with all new parts, gaskets, etc. installed, it's time to rig up with Audi's system, and we'll run the adaptations to reset the parameters for the low pressure EGR. We'll bleed the cooling system and we'll get it up the road and sort it out.